All right, friends, so flower powder here on the stage. For your foliar application 2 weeks before flowering and 2 weeks into flowering, flower powder to increase multiple flower sites on your plants. Very nice product for this. We're just gonna go over real quick. I've pre-made a measurement here in my bottle at 1 tablespoon per gallon of water. So that is our measurement here in our little quart bottle right now. Even though the pumpkins don't need it, we're gonna use this as a demonstration just to show you when you're spraying fertilizer, the best way to do it. So overall, it is probably best just to get the main canopy, focus more on that. This is not a pesticide, so it's not 100% necessary to get on underneath all the leaves. The fertilizer can be absorbed through the top. We're gonna get in there, get a nice coating on your plants. You wanna really soak them down, but not so much to where it's all dripping off the plant. No need to do that. All right, my friends. And as you can see, all the beautiful flowers coming out of my pumpkins. This is what you will start to see more sites on your medicine plants and tomato plants, your pepper plants, all your beautiful plants that love to produce flowers. So do yourself a favor, try Vital Flower Powder at vitalgardensupply.com. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day.